Welcome to today's guide, where we're going to walk through how to download a document directly to your computer using the WhatsApp app on PC following the newest update. If you often receive files through WhatsApp and want to save them safely on your device, this quick tutorial is exactly what you need. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Once it's open, take a moment to make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not, simply scan the QR code using your mobile phone as you normally do. When the chat list loads, look for the conversation that contains the document you want to download. Next, click on that chat to open it. Scroll through the messages until you find the document file. It will usually display with a small paperclip icon or a preview of the document's name. Hover your mouse over the file and you'll see a download arrow appear. Click that arrow to start downloading the document. After the download finishes, the app will present you with the Save As option. This is an important step because it lets you decide exactly where you want the document to go on your computer. Click on Save As and a new window will open. Now, choose your preferred folder, whether that's your desktop, downloads folder, or any custom location where you keep your work files. It's best to select a place that's easy to access later. Once you've made your choice, click the Save button, and that's it. Your document is now fully downloaded and saved on your computer. You can open it anytime without needing to go back to WhatsApp. This quick process makes it easier to organize your files and keep a local copy of important documents received through chats. With the latest WhatsApp PC update, downloading and saving files is smoother than ever. Spend less time searching through messages and more time getting things done simple, fast, and efficient.